Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prioritizing what matters. First, run a quick app audit and uninstall or restrict anything draining resources. Once done, configure notifications so only essentials interrupt you. Use priority modes or scheduled summaries to reduce distractions. Make sure security basics are active. Lock screen with strong method, enable Find My Device, and set automatic backups for photos and settings. Doing these steps now prevents future interruptions, saves battery, and keeps your data safe as you move into smarter daily habits. You now optimize workflows to make the phone work for you. Arrange your home screen, group similar apps into folders, add widgets for quick info, and limit to 1 or 2 screens to reduce decision time. Then automate common routines, set Do Not Disturb schedules, create shortcuts for multi-step actions, and enable battery saver triggers at 20% or tailored thresholds. Finally, manage connectivity. Prefer trusted Wi-Fi with auto join off for unknown networks, cap background data for heavy apps, and you complete the setup by reviewing permissions, updating the OS and apps, and testing backups and emergency contacts so everything restores when needed. Make maintenance routine. Clear storage monthly, run 1 to 2 security scans, and calibrate battery if you notice erratic percentages. If something breaks, try these steps. Force restart the device, clear the specific app cache or data, and boot into safe mode to isolate third-party conflicts. If the problem persists, perform a selective factory reset after exporting your verified backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.